Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a screen lock protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the option called pin. Tap on it, then tap on set pin, and now we can basically enter the pin we want to use to lock our device. And I'm gonna enter 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we need to enter it again. As you can see, it says pin set, and now we can turn off the pin and change the pin. Basically, that means that the pin is enabled. And now when the screen turns off, let's wait a couple of seconds, the screen should turn off. And once the screen turns off, when you wake it up again, it should ask you to enter the pin to unlock it, but apparently it did not. Let's try again. Oh, now it worked. And now we can't use the watch unless we enter the correct pin to unlock the device, like that. And to turn off the screen lock protection, press the side button to open the menu, scroll down through the menu, tap on the settings, find the pin option, tap on it, tap on the turn off pin, enter the current pin, like that. And as you can see, the pin is removed now. And that's how you set up the screen lock protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.